Number 1. 1994 Ford F-150, price $6,000. This truck has 123,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior with a matching red interior and comes equipped with power windows, power mirrors, power seats, and a factory sunroof, all functioning properly. The interior is in good condition and the truck has no fluid leaks. The engine has had the cylinder head valves lapped and valve seals replaced, with the smog pump and EGR system deleted during an engine pull. All fluids, including the transmission, have been drained and refilled. The truck has dual fuel tanks. Both are reported to work, though the rear tank has not been used by the current owner. Structurally, the frame, floor pan, and bed are solid, with only minor surface rust on the frame and 2 small, non-through rust spots on the lower front fenders. Number 2. 1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a reliable 350 automatic engine, making it smooth and easy to drive both around town and on longer trips. The truck features a blue exterior with fresh paint that gives it a sharp, refreshed look, complemented by a matching blue interior that maintains a cohesive and classic appearance. The vehicle has been lowered, giving it a more aggressive and modern stance, and it sits on eye-catching 20-inch wheels that enhance its overall presence. For comfort and convenience, it comes equipped with power steering, power brakes, power windows, and air conditioning, making it enjoyable to drive in various conditions. Inside the cabin, a high-quality JVC stereo system has been installed, providing excellent sound and an upgraded driving experience. Number 3. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500, equipped with an automatic transmission and features a red exterior paired with a tan interior. It is a 4x4 model powered by a 350 engine, offering dependable performance for both daily use and longer trips. The air conditioning and heating systems are fully functional, ensuring comfort in various weather conditions. The truck presents a clean body with an attractive 3-stage paint finish, complemented by a bed cover. The interior is well maintained and clean, enhanced with a Kenwood stereo system and a small subwoofer for improved audio quality. Additional features include a remote start system, adding convenience to everyday use. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 runs strong and looks great, making it a reliable truck that is ready to be driven anywhere with confidence. Number 4. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,200, shows approximately 180,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 350 V8 engine that runs great, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission that shifts smoothly and confidently. As a gasoline-powered pickup, it delivers classic full-size truck performance while maintaining a straightforward, mechanical driving experience that many enthusiasts appreciate. The truck features a red exterior that gives it a bold, classic look, matched with a gray interior that remains practical and functional for daily use or light-duty work. The heating system works very well, providing reliable comfort during colder weather or early morning drives. While the emergency brake is currently not operational and the tires are showing their age, the vehicle remains solid overall and continues to run and drive as it should. Number 5. 1995 GMC 1500, price $5,500, with 111,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It has a white exterior with a brown interior and is a rust-free Louisiana truck with a clean body, showing only minor surface rust and no rot. Like many OBS trucks, the dashboard is cracked and currently held with tape and a dash pad. The glove box latch is broken and does not close. The HVAC system needs a blend door actuator and a mode door actuator, although both heat and air conditioning work well. The truck sometimes takes a moment to shut off after the key is turned off, and the passenger side power seat does not work. On the plus side, cruise control functions properly, the tires are in good condition despite being mismatched, and the truck sits on 35-inch tires with 20-inch wheels and a 6-inch rough country lift. A brand new headlight is also included. Number 6. 1999 Ford F250, price $7,000, well-maintained truck with only 52,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with a 5.4L Triton gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 2-wheel drive drivetrain. The exterior is finished in red, while the interior features a gray cabin with durable rubber floor mats. The truck was originally used on private farm property and was never subjected to heavy towing, as it did not have a hitch when new. A hitch was later installed. It comes with factory air conditioning, crank windows, and an AM/FM radio. All systems function exactly as they should, and the vehicle runs and drives well. Recent paint correction has been done, enhancing the overall appearance. This F250 represents a solid, low-mileage example that has been lightly used and properly cared for over the years.
Number 7.
1981 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000. It features a red exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. The truck is extremely reliable and starts every time, running strong with no issues. Under the hood, it is powered by a 5.3 carbureted LS engine producing approximately 410 horsepower at the crank. The engine setup includes a 218-224 cam with .600 lift springs, along with a powerful EFI fuel pump, regulator, and return line to maintain a consistent 6 psi for the carburetor. The cooling system is well sorted, featuring electric fans, a properly functioning water pump, and a good radiator. The alternator and battery are both in good working condition.
Number 8.
1992 Ford F250, price $8,000. It has 140,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It runs on gasoline and features a red exterior paired with a matching red interior. The truck benefits from a rebuilt engine and transmission completed approximately 3 years ago, adding to its overall reliability and performance. Under the hood, it is powered by a 408-stroker engine with aluminum heads, supported by a Holley carburetor and a Holley electric fuel pump. The cooling system includes a new water pump, and performance is further enhanced by long tube headers connected to a 3-inch exhaust system with Flowmaster 40 mufflers. Power is delivered through a C6 automatic transmission fitted with a shift kit for improved shifting response.
Number 9.
1964 Chevrolet C20, price $9,950. It features a green exterior that highlights its vintage appeal, paired with an automatic transmission that makes it comfortable to drive. Under the hood, the truck is powered by a reliable 283 V8 engine, giving it solid performance for both cruising and light work. The body is in very good original condition overall, with some rust present on the fenders, which is typical for a truck of this age. The bedwood remains in good shape, showing that it has been well cared for over the years. The truck is equipped with new tires, ensuring it is road-ready. Inside, the interior is in nice condition and largely original, although the seat will need to be reupholstered.
Number 10.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,650. This truck is equipped with a 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and shows 280,000 miles. The truck wears a red exterior and runs and drives excellently, delivering smooth and dependable performance. It has a very solid frame and body, reflecting good overall condition for its age. With its automatic transmission and classic V8 power, this Chevrolet 1500 is well suited for daily driving while also offering great potential to be turned into a classic cruiser with minimal effort. Overall, it is a strong, reliable truck that is ready to be enjoyed with no disappointments.